Hello and welcome back to the channel. For this video we are visiting Bonorong Wildlife Sanctuary. Bonorong is situated in Brighton, which is about 20 to 30 minutes north of Hobart depending on traffic. The wildlife sanctuary is accessible by car. For those with small children or who have mobility issues, there is a lot of uneven ground at Bonorong, so it's probably not the best surfaces for pram users and wheelchair users. Bonorong is a wildlife sanctuary that is focused on rehabilitating native animals in the hope of releasing them back into the wild. However, there are some animals that will remain at the sanctuary. There is an on-site hospital, and Bonorong also do a 24/7 wildlife rescue service. For those who are not familiar with Tasmania, a lot of our roads are rural outside of the main city centres, so the chance of hitting native wildlife, it does increase, which is why you're encouraged to slow down during the night time. A lot of the animals that are at Bonorong are nocturnal, so they may not be active while you're visiting. Bonorong does offer night tours, so check out their website for when they run, because they don't run all year round, and I believe there's some limits to numbers as well. There is free roaming forester kangaroos who are always keen for a good scratch on the chest, and for some gentle hand feeding. There is kangaroo food included in the price of entry. The kangaroos will also let you know when they are full and they aren't interested in interacting with you. Tamagotchi and Luigi are Bonorong's resident echidnas. Echidnas are one of my favourite Australian animals, so I was really happy to see them. You can arrange to have an echidna encounter as well as with other animals on Bonorong's website before you go. Just note that with echidnas, they will go into semi-hibernation in the colder months, so they may not be as active, and honestly I can relate. You'll definitely find Tasmanian devils at Bonorong. Tasmanian devils are known for scavenging carrion or roadkill or other dead animals, so their instances of getting injured by vehicles is quite high. The facial tumour is still a massive issue as well down here, and it has wiped out significant amounts of the wild population of Tasmanian devils. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video about going to Bonorong. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite Australian animal is, or maybe even subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.